Welcome to AZIIE English Learning Lessons. Please subscribe and support us.
Hello students. Today we are going to learn about be verbs. First of all, we can see the sentence pattern. Normally we can make a sentence in subject plus verb plus object pattern. For example, I am a teacher. He plays cricket. We have a house. In another way, we use the subject plus helping verb plus object pattern to make a sentence. Examples are, I am playing football. He will come tomorrow. We are studying English.
Let's see what kind of be verbs are there. We can divide the be verbs in 3 tense. First one is present tense. Present form be verbs are am, is, are. Second one is past tense. Past form of be verbs are was, were. Third one is future tense. Future form of be verbs are will be and shall be. Let's see some examples. We can make a be form of sentence in the following pattern: subject plus be verb plus object. Examples are here. First, let's learn about present infinite form of be verbs. The sentence structure is subject plus am is, are plus object. When the subject is I, we can use am. When the subject is singular, we can use is. When the subject is plural, we can use are. Examples: I am a farmer. She is a nurse. They are good doctors.
Next, we are going to learn the present negative form of be verbs. The sentence structure is subject plus am, is, are, plus, not plus object. Let's see how we can change the infinite sentence into negative form. I am a teacher. I am not a teacher. This is a book. This is not a book. We are students. We are not students. We can use the contracted form for is not as, isn't, and, are not as, aren't. Next, let's learn the present question form of be verbs. The sentence structure is am is a plus subject plus object plus. Let's see how we can change the infinite sentence into question form. I am a teacher. Am I a teacher? This is a book. Is this a book? We are students. Are you students? Secondly, let's learn about past infinite form of be verbs. The sentence structure is subject plus was, were, plus object. When the subject is I, we can use was. When the subject is singular, we can use was. When the subject is plural, we can use were. Examples: I was a principal. She was a nurse. They were good doctors. Next, we are going to learn the past negative form of be verbs. The sentence structure is subject plus was, were plus, not plus object. Let's see how we can change the infinite sentence into negative form. I was a teacher. I was not a teacher. He was a bad boy. He was not a bad boy. We were students. We were not students. We can use the contracted form for was not as, wasn't, and were not as, weren't. Next, let's learn the past question form of be verbs. The sentence structure is was, were, plus subject plus object. Let's see how we can change the infinite sentence into question form. I was a teacher. Was I a teacher? He was a bad boy. Was he a bad boy? We were students. Were you students? Finally, let's learn about future infinite form of be verbs. The sentence structure is subject plus will be plus object. When the subject is I, we can use will be. When the subject is singular, we can use will be. When the subject is plural, we can use will be. Examples: I will be a principal. She will be a nurse. They will be good doctors. Next we are going to learn the future negative form of be verbs. The sentence structure is subject plus will be plus object. Let's see how we can change the infinite sentence into negative form. I will be a teacher. I will not be a teacher. He will be a bad boy. He will not be a bad boy. We will be students. We will not be students. We can use the contracted form for will not as won't. Last, let's see the question form of future. The sentence structure is will plus subject plus be plus object. Let's see some examples. I will be a teacher. Will you be a teacher? He will be a bad boy. Will he be a bad boy? We will be good students. Will you be good students?
Thank you. Hope you like the lesson. Subscribe for more video lesson. AZIIE AZIIE, A to Z International Institute of English.